Welcome to Garvey. Today we're going to discuss how to break MatTop chain and reconnect it. So you get your MatTop chain, and you're going to have these little yellow prongs on the side. That's going to be your first step to open up. You can do this with a small screw or a pin, but you're going to want to safely press on this with some kind of back support, and it should pop downward. As you can see, that has now been disengaged. If you do not have a tool like this handy, which we can supply, a wood screw will do. But you're going to want to pull out a little plastic dowel pin that's inside of here. And you screw the wood screw, or this tool, into there. Get a little bit of grip on it and pull it out. As soon as you do so, your chain will break free. To put the chain back together, it's as simple as making the connection again, getting the pin back in, and then closing the plastic tab. If working on a larger MatTop system, either a conveyor or a biflow, please utilize help to get the chain tension back in. When pulling this chain around the complete circuit, the catenary of the chain is going to want to pull it back apart. So having a two-man team on this, one person keeping the chains together, like this, while the other person sets the pin, is going to be your safest course of action. Thank you.